witnessing Home Life's 7th groundbreaking of the year. So let us acknowledge the presence of everyone who are here today. To our clients, Mr. Christian Alexander Noel Reyes and Attorney Ronald Reyes, let us also congratulate them for the coming of their legal raise.
First of all, I want to thank you na may trust po kayo sa Home Life. Binigyan niyo kami ng chance na kami maging part to make your dreams come true. Where, sabi nga ni Home Life, where dreams come home. So hopefully, we are doing our best to make sure na we can deliver a promised dream para sa inyong bahay. And thank you.
Pinag-aralan namin with the Home Life, we delivered this project structurally stable and aesthetically. At least your dream house will come true. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.
Salamat po sa tiwala sa Home Life. Kaya nga po, it's not only a house, it's a home.
Thank you na nandito po kayong lahat. This is to officially start the journey of building the family Reyes Dream House. We are very grateful na tayo yung pinili ng family Reyes. Sa dinabi-dami po ng construction firm dito sa Baguio, we have chosen at for that, we will put our best na maumpisahan ito at ma-deliver sa kanila. And thank you for putting your trust and confidence to Home Life. Thank you.
And Ma'am, Sir, congratulations. Thank you for trusting Home Life. God bless us all always.
Good morning po sa lahat. Thank you for coming from yung friends namin, families, and of course, Home Life. Thank you for leading us to this property. Marami po kami nakita. And then all of a sudden, when we came here, parang, wow, this is it. Home Life yung napili namin kasi una pa lang, ang humarap sa amin is yung CEO, which I never knew na siya yung CEO before. She was so humble, she didn't introduce herself na siya yung CEO. It's okay. Though may mga challenges lang, nakailang revisions kasi nga yung property. But we're still happy na we stick with Home Life. So thank you. Let's make this work together. We put our trust in you. May God continue to bless this and guide the construction, smooth sailing, no dangers, and where dreams come home.
Thank you everyone for joining our groundbreaking event today. We appreciate your presence, lalo na the weather is not so forgiving nowadays. I thank God for helping us reach this point in our lives. Actually, this is a very big milestone. Sabay-sabay actually, dumating si baby, nabili namin yung lot, we decided to build this home, we got married. Actually, ang dami nangyari this year. So, it's actually the most growth of years na alam mo. Above everyone else, I'd like to thank our parents for the support, and of course to my loving wife, kasi this wouldn't be possible without my wife. Ito lang yung lot actually na nagbigay ng feeling. If you look here, kung clear yan, makikita mo yung beach. So yan, and then we decided, nung nakita namin yun, okay, this is where we will build our home. Si Home Life lang talaga yung super welcoming nagbigay. Nagbigay pa sila ng water sa amin. So thank you so much for that. Small things make a very big difference, and those are the impressions that last talaga. I'd like to pray to God even more and ask na sana maging smooth sailing yung building nitong bahay. Yung pag-develop, walang masaktan, walang untoward incidences. Ayun, so smooth sailing, like what my wife said, of course. Ayun. Again, thank you everyone, especially for all of this and for giving us the opportunity for having this groundbreaking as well. So yeah, thank you everyone.